Welcome to the Backend Development Bootcamp. In this program, you will learn how to build powerful server-side applications using modern backend technologies. We'll start with the basics of Node.js and JavaScript, understanding how servers work and how applications handle requests and responses. You will learn to create RESTful APIs, manage server-side logic, and work with databases like MongoDB and MySQL to store and manage data efficiently. We will also cover authentication systems, API security, Git version control, and deployment practices used in real-world development. By the end of this bootcamp, you will be able to build, manage, and deploy scalable backend services that power modern web applications. Let's get started.